like every day I love season. Though they love her, you are my rider. That should be enough reason. I call you baby, that's only your title. 'Cause I don't need no more rivals. I put that on a Bible. You're the only thing that I want.
Guys, so today we're going to be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
He listening to some bull.
Before we get into this video, like, comment, and
subscribe,
and hit the bell button so that you guys can get, don't mind my edges please, so that you guys can get notifications every time we upload a new video. We are about to start uploading more consistently so that our child can watch us when they grow up, and so that we can have memories also. So without further ado,
hit the bell. Hit
the bell first
bell.
and smash that like button.
Subscribe!
And comment! And share it.
Share it.
You just gonna say that?
Share it.
Oh wait, I can't do that with you. Okay, guys. And today, me and Danae are doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Babe, it's time to get up, seriously. I need 10 is 1. I need to eat. I'm hungry. Hey, Flexi. Say hey to the vlog. Why you drop your phone so hard? Okay. Danae looks miserable. Oh my god. You have to use the bathroom? I do. So you hold the phone. I swear to God, you should have my face and want to slap the hell out of you. Look how fat I look, guys. Look at the belly.
I pee. On my damn face.
Hey, Flex, do you know what we're doing?
Oh, vlog?
Yes, do you know which one?
I think you told me that handcuff shit.
Yes.
I thought y'all was into some freaky shit.
Yeah. Flex saw the handcuffs in our room and he's like, yo, y'all some freaky stuff. He's like, no, it's for a vlog.
Booty shit. Hell no.
Babe, I'm hungry. You want to
Make one!
bragging about food. Can't even open the door.
Stop going so damn fast.
Stop going so damn slow. Ow. I'm never doing this again.
Pull the shit out so if you don't
No, that hurts. This is our first and last handcuff challenge.
Yeah, motherfucking right.
We should try it when we have. I'm about to do my hair. Oh, I'm about to do my hair. The spray bottle and the white tooth comb.
Nigga, I know.
And my toothbrush. Oh,
I'm about to punch you in your face, nigga.
I forgot. Daniel's trying to cheat, y'all. He's trying to tell me.
My arm is tired.
He's trying to say, should we just take them off just for now tonight and not tell them? Like, expose
Fucking
part 2.
snitch. Hey, you fat and snitch.
That's why you mad and
My
tired.
arm.
Rest it on my head. How do you think my arms feel? I'm over here braiding and holding my arms up.
Michael Jordan.
Okay, baby, you're pushing my neck down a lot.
Michael Jordan.
Okay. It doesn't matter. You're being rude.
Babe,
I'll unlock it.
way.
I'm in the way?
Yes.
You in the way. Flex, you hear him?
I'm not here.
I have to climb to him. Ow. Go slow then. My hand is connected to yours. Okay. Okay. We're in the car.
Put the key in.
All right. Calm down. Man, I'm scared for you to drive.
Shut the fuck up.
I can't do it with my left hand. Let me put on my seatbelt.
You. How dumb ass?
This is smart. Okay. This guy, please give us safe travel.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Oh.
No. I'm sorry, God.
God, please give us safe traveling mercies. You see? What? You don't know? Open? Oh, close. God, please give us safe traveling mercies as we drive with these handcuffs on us, Jesus. And don't let the near crash.
Oh, shit.
Babe, don't play like that. I'm carrying a whole baby.
Stop it then.
What am I? You do that to Flex when you're supposed to hey, Flexy, do you feel safe?
I'm chilling. You feel me? I'm frying right now. So.
Oh, my edges did not come out right at all. Because of denier. I don't care. I'm not getting off the car.
I don't know if you gonna put this in the vlog or not, but South Jersey females.
Oh my God. Let's get out of here.
You know she got subscribers from the Bahamas too.
The Bahamas, man, listen.
Yeah, and
I
Africa.
could be an island boy.
I'm African.
I could do my dance in this bitch.
He said I could be a Stupid. Ooh, I should go get my eyebrows done today. Denier drove really good. It was a compliment.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
No. Ow! Oh! Babe, come on for real. You gotta stop doing it. That hurts really bad. Pull mine up a little bit. It's getting on the fat part of my wrist. See you, Flexi.
Alright, 1100. I'm going
Oh,
to work.
11.
I can have a double cheeseburger, 3 McChickens, 2 medium fries, a medium blue Minute Maid slushie.
Sir, our slushie machine is not working right now.
Here you go.
I'm about to piss myself. The guy is looking like, what the? Oh my God, I'm about to legit piss myself. I think I should have used the bathroom before we left.
Oh wow, it's too damn bad.
How are we supposed to go to the bathroom in public? Oh my God.
You better hold that shit.
I can't. It's not good. He was on his face. He was just thinking life over. Bro, this vlog is so hilarious. I don't think I can make it. I'm gonna try to squeeze it down in like 15 minutes, but it can't be no shorter than that because mad at these clips is hilarious, is it not?
Yeah.
They're probably looking like, what the?
Well, man, hurry the fuck up, man.
Okay. Babe, this is about to be bad.
Mm-hmm.
You want to close this door?
Copy.
Babe, please don't be petty. I can't help it that I have to use the bathroom.
Copy. Some bullshit.
We got to open the window.
Man, hurry up. That's what you should do. Hurry up.
Ow, my stomach hurts. Hey guys. So now we're in Dollar Tree getting stuff for our gender reveal. Stay tuned for the gender reveal video. I'm out of breath. Here, you hold the phone, please. I'm with Tori and Keith. They don't want to be. I don't care if they don't want to be on the camera. They're still are because who they think they are. They don't have an option.
What the name there? That's it.
All right.
It was bro.
I say, wasn't she at the school? Y'all on camera?
How you doing?
Hello.
What have you been up to?
Not that lovely.
How you doing? I'm good. How are you? Good to see you.
You alright?
Yes. How you
Hello.
doing?
Good. How about you?
Wonderful.
I hate being handcuffed to him. He's so freaking rude.
You fucking dumb.
He's dragging me.
Cause you so damn dumb.
No, you dumb.
We gotta open the door. You're dumb.
Okay, then yeah, I don't care. You over here
I
dragging
will
me.
choke this shit
We're
out.
together.
Fuck up.
I hate you.
Hate you.
Stupid. That's like you're curling like a little girl. It's starting to rain. We have one more stop and then we're going home. I'm tired of this, y'all. I can't make it. I can't do it. I really can't. He's getting on my last nerves. I can't do it. I really can't. Look at his little ugly doofy self.
Fuck you. Look at your fat ass. Look,
I got
look, look,
pumpkin seeds. Ready? Wait, can we start this way? Like, put your hand on your hula so you can be over this way. You know how you start your hula?
My nigga, I don't want to hit each other.
How? You start this way, it's gonna both go that way.
I'm
put
going
your hand
this
on
way.
No, go that way.
Maybe y'all should have more hoops. Y'all not loose. Y'all not.
I'm thick. It's my coat. Wait, I can do it. I swear. If I can do it.
Y'all gotta do it together.
Get
I
out.
want to get in.
Do it together.
No,
Y'all gotta hug each other.
Now let me do it. Janae, get out. No, wait. I'm not.
Come on, hug each
Get
other.
out.
Come on.
All right. Let me see. Put your hands up in the air. Get
How
out.
he gonna put his hands up in the air?
Babe, let me hold one time by myself.
I'm not doing this with you.
Okay,
no
fine.
more.
One time together, then by myself. Ready?
Which way we going?
That way. Go. Oh, we're getting closer. Ready?
So y'all gotta hug each other. Oh, we
Okay,
punch
now
you
me
in your
by
face.
myself. Now watch. I'm gonna do it for a long time.
You gotta put it above the belly so the baby can hold it up.
Hey, mama, see, stop.
It's not fair. Her stomach is helping.
It doesn't matter. I'll do it on my waist. Hey, I'm a bitch.
She about to kill the baby.
Ow!
When she falls, she drags him down.
I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm gonna be his own.
We can't even go to the bathroom.
Ow, ow. Get the fuck up.
Come on.
I'm going to kick you right in.
He's gonna come out.
Please get the fuck
No, I
up.
won't. Come on, baby.
I will
Ready?
take these handcuffs off
1,
today.
2, 3.
This is fucking your whole wrist up.
I have a gray. I can't feed myself. She said a fishbowl, right?
Come, guys. What you about to do?
Play the game.
Oh, I'm about to take a nap. So where you gonna play the game at? On the bed? 'Cause I'm taking a nap. Wait, we gotta come off the bed first. So he's about to play Fortnite or 2K or something, I don't know. And I'm probably gonna watch some Netflix on my phone. Chill. We'll be back around dinner. Or if something funny happens. Till then, see y'all later. Capiche?
Bye.
Damn!
Oh my god, you scared the
Look. Damn!
You scared me. Guys, good night. Thank you for swimming. Everybody in there has an attitude because he just woke up. Per usual.
Get the camera off me.
Sad. But yeah, we're about to eat. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Alright, yo. It's 10:46 and somebody has to pee for like the 8th time today. It's crazy.
Tell me we're about to go.
We about to go to Oyster Bay because the bros
Babe,
is
they
over
don't know
there.
what that is. Just say.
Oh, well, that's the hood.
No, it's not.
We about to go see my bros before they go.
It's currently 10:57, and we're on our way to go see his friends that came home from college and other places. It is so dark you can't even see me, but yeah, we're driving. We're in a car. Still handcuffed.
That nigga be cheating, bro. Computer D out the ass.
Talk too damn much.
Talk.
I'm talking about you.
It's 2:51. Somebody's peeing again. I gotta pee too. How many hours we got left? What time did we start? 12:51. So we got like, I don't know. $12:48. 24 hours complete.
Never doing it again.
Ever again, my nigga.
Don't ask us to do no challenges like this ever again.
Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button. And good morning and good night, because I'm going back to sleep.
And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we just took these